हेलो बच्चों, स्वागत है आप सभी का किस नई वीडियो में। आज इस वीडियो में हम पढ़ने वाले हैं A फॉर एप्पल, B फॉर बॉल। चलिए सबसे पहले जान लेते हैं कलर्स नेम। ये हमारा कलर्स, ये है डार्क ग्रीन कलर, ऑरेंज कलर, रेड कलर, ये है रेड कलर, येलो कलर, ये है येलो कलर, लाइट ग्रीन कलर, ये है लाइट ग्रीन कलर, और ये है वायलेट कलर, ये है वायलेट कलर। A is for auntie. A is for auntie. B is for boy. C is for children. D is for daughter. E is for enemy. F is for friend. G is for grandfather. H is for husband. I is for ice. J is for judge. K is for keyboard. L is for little. M is for mother. N is for nice. O is for on. O is for on. P is for past. Q is for question. R is for rainbow. S is for sister. T is for teacher. U is for us. V is for violin. W is for wife. X is for xylophone. Y is for ear. Z is for zed. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Ta-da, see you in the next video.